Hi everyone, so another short video about Benchies. So a really bad example of a Benchy. This was printed in ABS but wasn't dried before printing. So as you can see, a lot of artifacts. Again, this is in PETG. Again, the filament was not dried. I had shown this one in this filament, this particular filament, the before and after in drying. After drying, this filament printed so well. Then this is in the flexible TPU. 95A is not really flexible, but I mean for some applications it is. But again, I'm getting the same artifact in, maybe it's the Benchy model. Right here there's a dent which is appearing in most of my Benchies. Then I selected a new Benchy model and this is near perfect. There is a little layer shift, but look at the overhangs and the bridges. I mean, rest everything is just amazing. And this was printed on the P1S. And this is a great example of a great looking Benchy. This printed in about 33 minutes. And I printed this on the Creality High combo. And it's just great. But again, there's a little bit of layer shift, but not too, not noticeable. And the bridges and everything else, overhangs, everything is just amazing. All right, guys, bye bye.